Yoda. Stop.
Why are you taking my food?
Oh my god.
Не надо. No.
Sorry, my cat. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Et voici une opportunité de se nourrir ainsi.
Oh my god. This is not happening.
Decent-sized mouse.
Get off the table, now. Meow!
Look what I made for you. A little pillow.
It's a Georgie pillow.
Billy Run, you like that shit? Yeah, you do.
No. Sasha! Sasha!
Oh my word.
You're so sweet.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
I'm gluten-free. Get it out.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh,
Come here. Any illegal contraband? Let me see.
Do it. Come on.
Normalize you not touching my charger.
You can't get in the shower.
Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
Oh my god, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, no!
Should I get a dog?
Why, thank you.
I love you more than that maiden.
May I have your smelly bird?
Kyle. Stop. Kyle!
Jeez. Okay, okay.
You going on a ride? Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean. Wait. Yes.
It's gonna be hot.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
She looks the fuck down.
Can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
Princess!
What are you doing?
You good?
Yeah!
Not addicted. Oh, is she? Oh,
about to bite me.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Self-control, please.
Any illegal contraband? Let me see.
Jump! Come on! Oh, good!
Why are you mad?
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Silly kitty.